Hi guys, it's me, and I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So I have in my hands right now. So you start off is you want to memorize the color scheme of your cube. The normal color scheme will be white, opposite of yellow, red, opposite of orange, and blue, opposite of green. Now after you memorize that, scramble your cube up. See, it's all scrambled now. So now we're gonna start solving it. Step 1, the white face. So first what we're gonna do is we have to solve the white face, and technically you can solve any face first, or any color, but I prefer white, so let's just do white for the video. So first we gotta pick a white piece to start with. So let's pick this piece. So we pick that piece, and now, see, it's a white piece. You think about it, so you're probably thinking it's a white piece. No, I don't think that. I think it's a white, red, blue piece. And the reason I think of that is because this white, this red, and this blue, see, like, no matter how much I twist it, it'll always stay together. Still like that. And then the other white one's like white, but this one is blue and orange. So, inspect. If we look at this, see, this pairs into this. If we go like that, not only will we have two whites next to each other, so two blues. And it's like, for example, here, like that would be wrong because both the whites are next to each other, sure, but you see, this isn't a line, so they're not correct. See, this one has to go there. So, like I said, so we just put it down there. And now see this piece, this is the white, red, and green piece. So this one looks like it has to go there, because this is white and red, and this one is white and red. So, way we get it. So this is the place we want it to get to, and this is where it is now. So we have to get like the under square that we have to get to. And now since it has to get here, if the white piece is over there, you just turn it like that and it's there. But it's not, so it's over here. So you do it is, look at it. So if you pull the white up there, it'll erect that white piece, see? See, that was there before, like it's supposed to, like this is here before, like it's supposed to, but now when you twist this, it's not. It's back here now. So let's put it back, and now, so first we have to move this out of the way. So since it's on the right column, we have to twist it to the left, like that. See, now it's over there. So now I pull the right up, and now you put it back. See, now we got this line all the way around till here. So that's the last piece. This last piece proves to be most difficult. See, it's right there. It's right, and so now we put it under. And now, since it lines up on the left, see, this has to go there. But if we put it there and erect that piece, we have to move this out of the way. Since it's on the left column this time, we move it back to the right like that. And now we pull this up, and now put it back. And one more piece you might have, just a minute, okay, is when you put the piece under the square it has to get to, it's on the bottom. See, like, the white is there and it has to get up there. So, now we hold it like this, and now we pull this down, and this, and now twist the bottom twice, and I'll pull this back up. See, now it's up here. So when we put it under, it lines up normally. So again, since on left column, we moved it to the right, and then up, and then back to the left. So there we go. See, we've got white and the ring all the way around. So that is the first step on solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Step 2, the yellow face. So now, instead of, like, if you know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, the 3x3, you go layer by layer. So now we focus on the last layer. So in this scenario, so we always put yellow on top. And so there's a handful of scenarios you might have. I'll take the same algorithm, which seems weird, but just you have to do it repeatedly, except for you have to adjust the scenario after you do it each time. So like, when you have this scenario, like whether these yellow pieces are here or here, it doesn't matter. But if you just have a scenario where you can hold the cube somehow, not like this, not like this, not like this, just like this, where the two in the back are yellow, you just do this algorithm. So pull this up, pull this to the right, pull the right face down, pull top to the right again, pull the right face up, turn top side twice, and pull right back down. So now you have a scenario where like you have two next to each other and then two right here. See, and so you hold it like this where the two that are next to each other are in the back here. So you hold it like this now. Right side up, top side to the right, right side down, top side to the right, right side up, top side 2 times, right side back down. So now, this is a scenario you want to get to where you have one dot. And whenever you have one dot, you put the one dot right here in the front and on the left, right here. And when you have this, there'll be 2 scenarios you might have, where if you look at this piece, the yellow will either be here or over around the corner here. So if this is a scenario you want to get to, if you do have the other scenario where this piece is there, you'll just have to hold it here like this, and then you have to do this once, and then after you do it once, you'll get to this position. So right side up, top side to the right, right side down, top side to the right, right side up, top side 2 times, right side down. So now we have solved the yellow face. And before I get to the last step, I'm gonna get some other scenarios you might have. Like here's the one I was talking about earlier, where you have one, but instead of having this yellow piece here, it's here. So now we just do the algorithm. So right side up, top side to the right, right side down, top side to the right, right side up, top side 2 times, right side down. And see now we will still have one, but now instead of the yellow piece being here, it's here. Oopsies. So we hold like this now, right side up, top side right, right side down, top side right, right side up, top side 2 times, right side down. So let me get one more case. Okay, just a moment here. So here's a scenario where they're opposite each other, the corners that are on top. And so we put the corners that are wrong here and here. It doesn't matter what the other corners look like, but we just do the algorithm. So right side up, top side to the right, right side down, top side to the right, right side up, top side 2 times, right side down. So then you have the scenario where you have 2 back here, and remember, when I'm showing you these algorithms, the way I'm holding it is always how you want to hold it when you do the algorithm. So you want to hold it so that if you have the scenario and you want to hold it where the 2 are in the back, they're next to each other, and then here. So right side up, top side right, right side down, top side 2 times, side up. Oh wait, I did that wrong. Crap. Oh yes. Okay, I'm back. So we got that, and now right side up, top side right, side down, top side right, right side up, top side 2 times, side down. So now you have this scenario where you have 1 and then that's over here. So you just do the algorithm. And now you get this, which is the scenario you want to get to. Okay, so there's one more scenario I want to show you. This will take a while to get to. So just be patient with me. Okay, here it is. So you have none on top, but now instead of having like 2 that are similar and then ones that are opposite each other, you have them so they're both next to each other. So when you have them both next to each other, you put them side by side. See, on the sides. Now you do the algorithm: right side up, top side right, right side down, top side right, right side up, top side 2 times, right side down. See, now you have the scenario you want to get to. So right side up, top side right, right side down, top side right, right side up, top 2 times, right side down. Oh, what am I missing? I don't think I have any others that I have missed. Oh, I'm thinking. No, I really don't think so. Tell me if I do though. So now, the biggest scenario for the final step. So remember, you have white and yellow solved. And see now, normally, like, okay, I'll just put it like this. When you look around at this, you'll see that 2 are lined up, and if they are, see what's there. You'll put it on the correct side, so that side is solved. And if you don't, just wait a minute, I'll get to that. But this is the longest algorithm I'm going to teach you. If you have one side you didn't solve, put it on the bottom. See, like since I didn't solve orange, I didn't put it on the bottom. And then put the white side, which you solved first, in front. Now, this is the longest algorithm I'm going to teach you. It's right side down, top side right, right side down, bottom side 2 times, right side up, top side left, right side down, bottom side 2 times, right side 2 times, back side to the right. So see, that's your solved cube. And if you had that other scenario I was talking about, where you're not able to solve any of them, you just gotta do this. Just a minute, I'm getting to the position. I wish I had more than one cube, but I don't. If I had more than one cube, I'd be able to show more examples. But I'm almost done. Okay. Here it is. So you have white in front, like you always do, but now see, none of these are correct. So you just line it up like that or something. And so you put the wrong one right here, and the white side in front again. See, like the wrong piece on the side you line up on top, right there, and now you pull right, do the algorithm. So right side down, top side right, right side down, bottom side 2 times, right side up, top side left, right side down, bottom side 2 times, right side 2 times, and see now you'll have the red solved along with white, yellow. So put the red on the bottom since you can solve it, and then the white in front. So now right side down, top side left, or right I mean, right side down, bottom side 2 times, right side up, top side left, bottom side down, or right side down, bottom side 2 times, right side 2 times, top side right, or back side right. So that's your solved cube. So hope you have fun with this. I really think it's cool. And one more pattern. If you turn the right twice and front twice, and then the right twice, you'll get the straight pattern. And just redo that to undo that. So right side twice, top side, or front side twice, right side twice. There you go. So that is your solved 2x2. So I hope you had a fun time with this, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!